On Tuesday night, MPs passed a motion to scrap next month's national insurance rise. But despite the vote, which is non-binding, Boris Johnson plans to go ahead with the biggest tax hike in 70 years anyway, even though he's been warned it will cost families an average of £500 per year. Despite Tuesday's vote, crippling rises in energy bills, a real terms cut to wages, welfare and pensions, soaring fuel and food prices and inflation at a 30-year high, Treasury Minister Simon Clarke said the massive tax hike to help fund the NHS and social care was going ahead anyway, telling MPs this: "This is a transformative policy that will tackle serious and long-standing issues. Only a broad-based tax like income tax, VAT or national insurance can raise the sums needed for such significant investments." What he didn't mention was that in 2019, the Prime Minister made this promise.
Read my lips, we will not be raising taxes on income or VAT or national insurance.
In the same year, he stood on the steps of Downing Street and said this:
"We will fix the crisis in social care once and for all with a clear plan we have prepared."
A plan which did not involve raising taxes, as he promised not to raise them.
For the lifetime of the Parliament.
And these new taxes on working people will initially go to help pay for the NHS after the Prime Minister promised if we voted to leave the European Union we could
take back control of huge sums of money, £350 million a week, and spend it on our priorities such as the NHS.
It gets better.
Why don't we use that 350 million quid a week that we were promised that would amount to £18.2 billion a year for our National Health Service, which we heard so much about during Brexit, which is £6.2 billion more than what the National Insurance rise will get.
And that money is now in the NHS.
So it appears the con is now complete.